I'm Lani with Pure Knead Massage. I'm here today to show you how to do an at-home foot massage. So you're going to start with your recipient lying down on either a bed or on a couch. You're going to want to go ahead and grab a hand towel to put on your lap so you don't get lotion on your clothes. And then any lotion will do. Just going to need a few drops in your hand. And if you really want to impress your recipient, you can go ahead and add a little essential oil. Today I have lavender. And you'll only need one drop to add on top. And you're going to want to mix it around on both of your hands. And then you're going to take your first foot, starting at the base of the foot towards the heel. You're going to be taking both hands and your thumbs, holding onto the foot and moving in an upward motion, okay? So we're going to be applying these long strokes to relax the foot. So we're starting at the base of the foot and we're moving towards the toes. Just a relaxing move. So it's not as if you're doing a lot of deep tissue work here, right? So we're not going deep. So I would do 3-4 strokes to relax the foot to start. And then we're going to go ahead and start on the top of the foot. Now you'll notice on the top of the foot that there are some hard bones. So you want to avoid those when you're massaging. Instead, you want to try to massage in between the groups of them, okay? So you're going to take your fingertips and you're going to be doing small circles, going up in between those bones, okay? You'll notice that our recipient has some lovely toenails today. Fabulous flowers. So go ahead and repeat this process a second time on the top of the foot, doing your small circles. Once again, my fingers are moving like this in small circles going up the top of the foot. Now after you've done that 2 times, you can go ahead and go back towards the base of the foot, and we're going to do those relaxing strokes where we grab, squeeze a little bit, and move upward. Now once we've done the top of the foot, now we're going to focus a little bit on the bottom. So go ahead and grab some more lotion. Just a couple drops, you don't need a lot. Now you're going to want to apply this to the bottom of the foot so that way you have an easy glide when you're going along. Now once you've applied the lotion, using your thumbs, your fingers are going to lie on top of the foot. Your thumbs are going to be doing the work on the bottom. So we're going to start at the base of the heel, and we're going to be doing small circles starting from the base, moving up towards the toes. Once again, small circles with the thumbs moving up towards the toe. So you're going to be going upward with the thumbs, doing circles, take it to the toe. And you're going to do this for each individual toe. So you're drawing lines across the bottom of the foot with your thumbs. Now after you've repeated this move twice, then we're going to move back in to our relaxing long stroke again. So that was our second time. So we're going to take our hands at the base of the foot again, and we're going to do the long stroke to relax the foot. Now the next move that we'll be doing is we're going to be using our thumbs, and this move we are going to be using a bit more pressure. So we're going to squeeze the foot, push the thumbs inward, and then pull the foot apart, okay? So it's a squeeze and then pull apart. Squeeze, pull apart, okay? So I'm going to be taking my thumbs, I'm going to be placing them at the base of the foot. I'm going to push my thumbs inward towards the foot, and I'm going to pull them apart towards the outside of the foot, opening that foot up, which always feels incredible. You can repeat that a second time as well. Next, we're going to work on the individual toes because they're very important and most people tend to forget about the toes. So we're going to start at the pinky toe, and we're going to squeeze the toe, and we're going to apply pressure and move it upwards. So we're going to squeeze the next toe, apply pressure, and move it upwards. And repeat on each individual toe throughout the foot. Now after you've gone through and you've done this 2 times, you're going to be doing your next move on your toes. So taking your hand, you're going to place each one of these fingers in between the toes. Okay? So the toe is actually going to fit right here at the base of your hand. Okay? So I'm going to take my fingers, I'm going to slide them right in between these toes. And you want to go slow when you do it because it feels really good for the recipient. And then you're going to wrap your fingers around the foot so you've got a nice grip on the foot. You're going to squeeze and then you're going to lift your hand up. And as you lift your hand up, the toes will fall down and your hand will move away from the foot. Okay? So you'll notice that the toes actually fit right into the base of my hand. And then I wrap my fingertips around, I squeeze, and I lift up. Okay? We're going to do that again. Repeat for the second time. Going slowly until they make it to the base of the hand. Squeeze and lift up. Okay? The last move that we're going to be doing on the foot is we're going to take the palm of our hand and we're going to rest the heel inside of the hand. And we're going to squeeze the hand and we're going to move it upwards towards the calf. Okay? So I am holding the foot in the palm of my hands. I'm squeezing and I'm moving upward and releasing. Squeezing and moving upward and releasing. Okay? Squeeze and move. Squeeze and move. Because that Achilles gets really tight. And oftentimes we miss the ankle. And the ankle is so important when we're doing a foot massage. Right after you've repeated that move a couple times, you're going to go back to the foot, starting at the base, and we're going to do that last upward strokes to relax the foot before we finish. Okay, so you can repeat that 2 to 3 times to end it. Go ahead and repeat this process on your second foot, and hopefully your recipient enjoys it enough to repay you the favor. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please sign up for our newsletter so you get more great videos like this one. Thank you for watching.